medians of a triangle. Now, what is the meaning of a median? If we have a triangle ABC and let us consider that we have the midpoint of BC here as D. Now, when we join the midpoint to the vertex here, then this line is called a median. So, median is a line drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So, in a triangle we will have three medians because we can have midpoint of AC here, that will be let us say E, and we will have midpoint of AB here, let us say as F. Now, if I am going to join B to E and C to F, you will find that now the triangle is having three medians. What are the three medians? The three medians are AD, BE and CF. And you will also note that all the medians are passing through the same point, and this point of intersection of the three medians of a triangle are known as the centroid. So, this is the centroid and it is normally represented by capital G. So, here this point is called the centroid. So, medians of a triangle will be 3, and median is defined as the line drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. And in the triangle we can have 3 medians. The 3 medians are given here. The first median AD, then we have BE and then we have CF. Next we should know what are the altitudes of a triangle. Altitudes of a triangle is obtained by drawing the height of the triangles. Now, if you look at this triangle ABC, the height of this triangle with respect to base BC will be this. So, here we can say that AD is the altitude of triangle ABC with respect to base BC. So, altitude is always a line drawn from the vertex and it will be 90 degrees with respect to the base of the triangle. So, again in triangles, just like we had here medians, it is possible to draw 3 altitudes. So, we could have an altitude with respect to AC and we could have an altitude here. So, again we will find that for this triangle ABC there are 3 altitudes and we can name this as AD, let this be BE and let this be CF. So, we are having 3 altitudes, again AD, BE and CF. As here 3 medians, we can also have 3 altitudes. And the point of intersection of the altitudes of a triangle is known as the orthocenter. So, orthocenter is represented normally by the alphabet of H. So, we can say that AD, BE and CF are altitudes, and the point of intersection of the altitudes of a triangle is known as the orthocenter, represented by capital H. Now, next we are going to study what is an exterior angle of a triangle. Now, when we draw a triangle, the space inside the triangle is known as the interior of the triangle. So, we have a space inside, that is the interior, and these angles inside the triangle are known as the interior angles. So, we have 3 interior angles. Therefore, what is the meaning of an exterior angle? You can extend any of these sides and we will get an exterior angle here. So, we can say that this is an exterior angle, these 3 are interior angles. Now, there is a relation which we are supposed to know, that is the exterior angle will always be equal to the sum of 2 interior opposite angles. The exterior angle of a triangle will always be equal to the sum of 2 interior opposite angles. In other words, it means that this exterior angles, let us say angle 1, is equal to the sum of 2 interior opposite angles. Now, there are 3 interior angles, but the interior opposite angles are 2 and 3, or we can say angle A and B. In other words, this theorem says that the exterior angle 1 will be equal to the sum of angle 2 and angle 3. So, this is called the exterior angle theorem, and we can use this result in finding out unknown angles, etc.